In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Surveymonkey to create a survey using a template. Whether you're a first-time user or just looking for a refresher, this guide is here to assist you every step of the way, offering clear instructions and helpful explanations. First, let's begin by heading to Google in your preferred web browser. Simply type Google in your address bar and hit enter. Once you're on Google's homepage, locate the search bar in the center of the screen. Here, you'll need to type in Surveymonkey, which is one of the leading platforms for creating surveys and collecting responses, offering robust features and a user-friendly interface. Once you've typed Surveymonkey into the search bar, hit the Enter key to perform the search. You should see a list of results. Click on the result titled Surveymonkey, the world's most popular survey platform. This link will take you directly to the Surveymonkey homepage, where you can get started with creating and managing surveys. Next, you'll see a login option displayed clearly, typically at the top right corner of the page. Click on Login to access your Surveymonkey account. If you don't yet have a Surveymonkey account, you'll need to sign up before proceeding. This process is straightforward and will grant you access to all the platform's features. Upon logging in, you'll be directed to the home page, which includes an easy-to-navigate section called Projects. This is essentially the hub of your survey activities where you can manage existing projects or begin new ones. Here, you'll want to find and click on Create Survey. This will lead you to a page where you can choose templates, ensuring your survey design is professional and consistent. After clicking on Create Survey, you should see an option to view and select templates. Surveymonkey provides a range of pre-designed templates to streamline your survey creation process. Choose the option that suits your needs best by clicking on Use this template. Templates can significantly reduce the time it takes to build a survey from scratch and often feature a variety of questions to suit different topics. Before finalizing your survey, you may want to preview how it will appear to respondents. This is a crucial step to ensure that everything looks perfect and flows logically. To do this, simply click on Preview Survey. This helpful feature lets you see your survey from the respondent's perspective, allowing you to make any necessary adjustments before launching it to your audience. And there you have it. You've just learned how to navigate Surveymonkey to create a survey using a template. With these steps, you're well on your way to gathering the insights you need efficiently and effectively. Happy surveying!